Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. To those who are new here, welcome. After these types of vaping devices are used, they can no longer be recharged or reused. However, inside them you can find various batteries that still have a very long remaining lifespan, and they can be used to restore different electronics, such as these headphones. I'll start by opening the bottom part of the vaping device, and then you can carefully remove the battery, as a wire could break and cause a short circuit, damaging the battery. After that, I will cut the wires, leaving only the red and black ones. I'll strip the ends with heat to ensure the best possible contact. This battery has a capacity of 3.7 volts. Using a multimeter, I can see that the battery is not completely discharged and still has 3.34 volts, which means it can be recharged. Using a digital device and a charging module, I will test whether this battery still has the capacity written on it and whether it can draw enough current. This blinking light means that the battery is close to being fully charged. After the blinking stops and the LED remains blue, I will disconnect it and test with a voltmeter to see if the battery has been fully charged. The result is a voltage of 4.09 volts. In the next video, I will show how we can use these batteries to restore this old phone power bank. Thank you for staying until the end. It helps me a lot if you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.